Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in C language. The chapter is pointers. Okay. My name is Jan. I am a computer faculty of Micro Park Computer Center Tumkur. Before starting in the class, I wish everybody a very happy Deepavali and festival of lights. Okay. Now see, actually what is pointer? Pointer is a variable which point the address of each and every memory location. Okay. Accessing of data through pointers is very fast compared to the normal variable. Okay. And usually pointers are used for dynamic memory location for accessing the address at the runtime. Okay. And pointer can return multiple values. Okay. And in pointers you can select the data randomly, but in arrays we have to go sequence. So why? Pointers are very powerful and accessing of data is very faster. And if you go to the later deep subject, and if you want to study the pointer in depth, we use data structures. We use regarding the stacks, queues, linked list. Okay, in depth will come in pointers regarding these concepts. Okay, that is queues, stacks, okay, linked list. This. Okay, now I show the definition of this pointer. Okay, now in this pointer. Now here, see this one, see here, same thing. I'm telling you, see pointer variable, we show the other pointer variable. So like this is the normal definition. Okay, this is the normal definition for pointer. And if you want to declare a pointer, we say int star p. Star p is a pointer variable which is like star p is paired like that. These are these normal definitions for star is used to denote the address of the star is used to denote the p is a pointer variable and not a normal. Always star indicates a pointer variable. Okay, these are the important points which I have to remember. Okay, like this one. Okay, actually what is the star indicates the contents of the variable, contents of the pointer variable. Ampersand indicates the address. In pointers we have two concepts, star and address. Star is for contents and address is for memory. And null, actually what is the meaning of null? See, null means if you want to show the end of the memory location, means in which the pointer is pointing to. That is, if the memory location is empty, we declare as null. Okay, these things here. Okay. Now I will show you the program. Now I will go to the program here. I will go to program. Okay, now in this program, I will open the program. See, first program is what? See, this program is regarding the normal variable. Okay, this is normal variable. Always you have to assign the address of normal variable to the pointer variable. Okay, like that the pointer keep on addressing the address of normal variable to pointer variable. And star u indicates the address, unsigned integer. D is for value. That is star, and u is for unsigned integer. If you don't give address, it is a pointer variable. Okay, now if you run this program, see like this. See like this, showing this. Now second, this is address and this is a next program is what? Next program is I will go to the second program. See the second program, same thing. Okay, here I am using the pointer pointing to address of pointer variable. Address of pointer. One address pointing to another address of pointer variable. Variable is same but the address are different. Okay, I am telling ampersand one address pointing to the another pointer variable. Again same address of pointer variable to point to one more address. Okay, that is the address of pointer variable. Okay, here I am writing one value, one address. Now if I run this program, I can execute compile and so you can see the output like this. Okay, next what we have, like that you can keep on pointing. Okay, next coming to this third pointer. Okay, this is for normal variable, address of the normal variable. X stands for hexadecimal. Either you can use U or you can use X. Means it is for combination of letters and numbers. Okay, next one is coming to this one, array. Okay, now see in this one. See here I am using, if I want to use array with pointers, I want to show the address of each and every location using pointers. Okay, now star p indicates address of each and every location. Okay, I am assigning the variable as a pointer address. Then I am using for loop for pointing the address of each and every location. Now one is for pointing the value and one is for pointing the address. P tab process for pointing the address of each and every memory location. Now if I go to execute compile run like this, you keep on pointing the address of each and every location. Okay, next coming to this program. Next coming to this next one. This one. Okay, now here what I am doing? Here I am using one common address pointing to different memory location. Okay, I am telling star name. Okay, one is for address and one for name. Now once if I run this program, see like this. One common address for different memory location. Okay, this is regarding pointers. Okay, now if I once again if I go to one more concept here, that is call by value. Actually, what is call by value? In call by value, not all normal functions are call by value. Okay. In call by value, different memory address will be sharing for both calling and call. Whatever changes they make in the calling, it will not affect the call. Okay. This is called call by value. Okay. Now here I am using, this is for swapping up two numbers. Calling is declared inside the main, call outside the main. Now I am interchanging. Swapping is interchanging of two numbers from A to B, B to A. Okay. And execute compile and see this one. This was swapping of two numbers. Okay. Next one is what? Call by reference. Actually, what is call by reference? Here, call by reference is one common address. See, call by reference is one common address. See, call by reference means one common address is shared for both calling and call. Whatever changes you make in the calling, it not affect the, it will affect the call. Okay. In call by value, different memory address. In call by reference, one common address is shared by both calling and call. Whatever changes you make in call, it affect the call. Okay. Now this is call by reference. Call by reference. See, output is same, but the manipulation is different. Okay, thank you.